Lean manufacturing identifies 8 types of waste. And these wastes, they're obstructions to continuous flow. And not having good continuous flow, it creates many cost and customer issues. So having good continuous flow in a factory, it provides a better customer experience and a better employee experience. And it also gives that factory a cost advantage over its competition. Let's discuss the 8 types of waste that Lean identifies. And note that these wastes are sometimes called MUDA in Lean terms. A MUDA walk is when you walk your factory looking for these 8 types of waste. And the first one is transport. You want to minimize the distance that your product travels within your factory while it's getting converted to a finished good. The second waste is inventory. Inventory costs a lot of money, and it's tying up cash that can be used for other things, like buying new equipment. And then paying for all that storage space, well, that's expensive too. And the third waste is motion. You want to minimize the amount of movement that your operators need to do when they're doing their job. Time is money, so use their time wisely. The fourth type of waste is waiting. We all know that when we're waiting for traffic to move on the freeway, that's a waste of our time. So time spent waiting in a factory, that's a waste also. The fifth type of waste is overproduction. Producing too much product creates inventory, and it puts that extra product at risk for being damaged, going stale, or going obsolete. So you definitely don't want to overproduce your products. The sixth type of waste is over-processing. If we have to overwork or rework our product in order to get it to meet the customer expectations, that's a waste. The seventh type of lean waste is defects. Quality issues require that quality control resources need to get tied up to evaluate and disposition the product. This takes time and money. And if the product is scrap, well, that costs money too. And the eighth and final type of lean waste is underutilized talent. Employees are so talented, not using this talent every day to help you thrill the customer, that's a total waste. So you definitely want to engage your employees. These are the 8 types of waste that lean manufacturing seeks to eliminate.